Guys, it's Tajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title and as you can see by my hair, I'm pretty excited because we are going to be doing a Hey Mickey by Baby Tay music video. Okay, so it's like the music, it's like the dancing video makeup recreation. I'm pretty excited because I just love this song. I love this video of them like dancing. I think it's so cute, and I love like the outfits, the makeup, the look, like the colors, everything about this look is just so like cute. So I was like, I really want to recreate that look. Let's ignore the fact that my blue scrunchies are a little bit different colors. Nothing a little editing can't fix. But yeah, if you guys want to see my Hey Mickey official dance video makeup recreation, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm super excited. I already did my eyebrows. I tried to make them look like hers. This is the picture that I have. It was from her Instagram, this picture. I just feel like you can see the makeup really good. And by the way, the makeup artist is, I'll put the name here, AVSTINSATHER. You did your thing with this makeup look because it's so cute, and I'm so excited to be doing this recreation today. So yeah, this is the picture that I have. So I'm just gonna clip my hair back. Let's get started into the recreation. Like I said, I'm so excited, but I'm a little bit nervous. Okay, so I'm gonna take my concealer that I use to prime my eyes. I'm gonna be taking this Juvia's Place concealer in the shade, actually, scratch that. I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C10. I'm just going to blend that out with this makeup sponge. So I feel like for my colored eyeshadow looks, I always take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette. I really just love this eyeshadow palette for colorful looks. Like, look at this, I love it. So first I'm gonna take the brightest yellow in the palette, and I'm gonna take that one M124 brush, and basically what I'm gonna do is put it in the inner corner of my eye, kind of as if I was like cutting my crease. Okay, I really love this yellow from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. As you can tell, I basically hit pan on it. So I'm gonna take that yellow and just put it on top of it to make it a little bit more vibrant. Next, on that same brush, I'm gonna take the pink, this one from the Alexis Stone palette, and just put it right next to that shade. And now on that same brush, I'm gonna take the second blue in that palette and just put it next to it. Okay. Finally, we're gonna get to some blending. So we're gonna take that first blue on this Juvia's Place small blending brush, and we're just basically gonna start blending that out. I feel like something about this doesn't look right. But we're gonna keep working at it. Okay, I want the colors on the lid to be a little bit more vibrant, so I'm gonna take my CC Beauty palette, and I'm gonna take the yellow from the palette, and I'm gonna put that on top of where I put that yellow eyeshadow. And then now I'm gonna go back over that CC Beauty palette with that yellow eyeshadow just to set it. See, there we go. Period. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the same thing with the pink. Cute. Okay, next, you guessed it, we're gonna go the same something, you know, we're sensing a pattern here, right? I'm gonna take the blue in the CC Beauty palette. Now I'm gonna take the M321 brush and just blend those colors together where I feel like it needs more blending in between them. You know what I hate? Not hate, but like it's annoying. Now that I like put on eyeshadow and stuff first before the CC Beauty palette, I have to do the same thing on this eye, otherwise it will look different. It's like when you make mistakes, you can't really correct them on the next, eye, otherwise it'll look like different. But it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Now I'm gonna take this ABH brush, the one that like comes with the palette. I'm gonna take some more of that blue and just blend this out. I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place small blending brush and take the darkest blue. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and go a little bit above, see where we put that blue CC Beauty palette, just to really strengthen that crease, you know what I mean? I'm so bad at explaining like what I'm doing. I'm just be like, watch this and then do what I do, and that's basically just how I like explain it. Now I'm gonna take the concealer again on a flat brush and I'm gonna sharpen up the bottom because she does have a wing. Guys, it's been so long since I did a freaking wing. This might go sideways when I do this wing, but I'm gonna just clean up the bottom. Now she has some shimmer. She has like some shimmer on the lid, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take the Beauty Bay EYN 42 color bright palette. I'm gonna take this flat brush and first I'm gonna take Rise and Shine and just put that over the yellow. I was gonna use like a white shimmer shade for all of them, but I'm like, why not just do this color shimmer shade? I'm gonna take Rise and Shine and put that over the yellow, and then I'm gonna take Candid Candy Floss and put that over the pink. And then I'm gonna take Lagoon and put that over the blue, but just the blue that's on the lid. Like, we're not gonna take it out into the blended part. Just to complete this, I'm gonna take some white from the CC Beauty palette. This is so cute. And put it in the inner corner. Okay, and now the next thing that I'm gonna do before I go off camera and do my other eye, I'm gonna put a little yellow gem in my inner corner because that's what she has. Obviously, this is a recreation, so if I'm doing it, she got it. Trophy wife. This is probably what she used, to be honest. There we go. You know what, baby trophy wife? Fenty, you have never led me astray. Perfect. I don't know if y'all can see that. Editing does you do a little zoom in on that. Okay, period. Okay. So now I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye, probably do my foundation, but we'll come back to do like blush and all that good stuff. I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, do base, and then we'll come back and do the rest. This is looking so cute. Let me know what you guys think below. I think I did it. I'm nervous to do the other eye, but we're gonna do it. I'll see you guys in a second. And I was off camera. I did as promised. I did my other eye and then I did my base, but I didn't do any concealer or anything like that. So let's just get started. So I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. So usually I just blend out my like chin, nose, forehead really quickly. because I don't really want, I'm not the best at like blending. At least on my forehead, I get really nervous that it's not gonna look good. So I always do those first just to like get them out of the way. But I am gonna let my under eyes sit a little bit more. I'm gonna take my ABH stick foundation in espresso. I use this as like contour. So yeah, and I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go like down with it because I feel like that's how her face shape is a little bit. And then forehead. She has a very bronzed nose, which I love. I always do under my chin because I have a mean double chin. So okay, yeah, and I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place angled brush and just blend that out. So I'm gonna blend out the concealer under my eye. I'm definitely focusing on my little like nostrils because you can definitely see she has like some concealer on her nostrils and up the sides of my nose. Okay, now I'm gonna take this ColourPop blush stick and I'm gonna put it a little bit higher than where I put the like contour. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna use the Airspun for under my eyes. I feel like there's a lot of controversy about Airspun. I low-key like it. Like, yes, I'm broke. Yes, I'm cheap. But I low-key like it. And I like the smell of it. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna set it with this Makeup Revolution banana powder. And now I'm gonna take this Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage powder foundation in the shade 375, and I use this for like bronzing and stuff. I've been in love with the Saharian Blush Volume 2 palette recently, so I'm just gonna take that. Okay, and there's nothing I love more than a full matte face and a very, very loud, bright nose highlight, and that's what she has going on here, and I freaking love it. I do that all the time, so I'm gonna do that too, like obviously like her, but I just want y'all to know how much I love it. So I'm gonna take the Tribe Highlight Volume 1 by Juvia's Place. Now I'm gonna do my under eye. So basically it's pretty basic, which I'm happy about because the top was a little bit, you know, like So I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place small blending brush, and I'm gonna take the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Juvia's Place, if you're watching this, sponsor me. As you can tell, I love you. So I'm gonna take that and put it under my eye. I'm gonna take the blue from the Alexis Stone palette and put that on the outer part. I'm just blend that out. Okay, cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go off the camera and put on a lash, and she kind of just has on like a nude glossy lip. So yeah, I'm gonna go off camera, finish up, and then we'll come back for the finished look. I'm super excited. I think this is so cute. I think I did a pretty good job. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a jiffy. Okay guys, this is the finished Hey Mickey official dance video makeup recreation. That's a mouthful. This is the final look of the Hey Mickey music video recreation. I love it so much. I think everything goes so well together, just like the hair. Oh, by the way, she had pigtails. She didn't have a bang, but I am very insecure about my face. You want a workout? Simply, anyways, like I was saying, I think everything goes so well together. Like the yellow, so in her video she had like a yellow collar pink shirt. I didn't have that, so I just got like a yellow shirt, and I think everything goes so good together. That's what I was saying. She has just pigtails. She doesn't have a bang, but I'm very insecure about the way that my face looks, so I need a bang. So that's why I have one. But I love this look so much. I feel like it's so cutesy, it's so girly. I feel like it goes so well with the song and the aesthetic of the song, and I think I did a pretty good job. What do you guys think? I think I did it a little bit more vibrant than hers is, but you know, it's inspired by, I'm not the same person as the makeup artist, so it's gonna look a little bit different, but I really like it. And I feel like my base looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know how you guys think that I did. I have a whole series of makeup recreations. I forget what number episode this is, but if you guys want to watch that, it'll be linked down below. It'll also be in the eye right there. If you guys want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. And yeah, I don't even know. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, I literally didn't even say it all throughout this video. Hey, Mickey.